Yo, I am excited. My memory has came in for my editing rig. Yes, TeamGroup, 32 gigabyte dual kit, 216 sticks of RAM. As you can see, at 3200 megahertz. Yes, finally taking those 216s out at 2400 megahertz. What I might do with that is go ahead and redo my editing rig or my grandson rig and put him on the 812 9800 processor. He only play puzzle games just like his pop. So other than that, I am going to be doing an unboxing and reveal of this. So y'all look out for the video real soon. I'm so excited to be upgrading my memory sticks. And yes, I do roll with TeamGroup. Y'all don't sleep on this company now. This company is real good. As y'all see, 32 gigabyte kit, 16 gigabytes, DDR4, 3200. Yes, sir, I am happy. I'll be showing y'all the product reveal real soon.